Hello good everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Troni in Arkansas on this Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. Troni got you ready to go, bud. Our tuning alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade. You got your upgraded light, LED purple fan and grill guard. Get all your wire and everything ready to go. Fuse and fuse holder, it's ready to rock. Let's just get right to it. Going to turn the power all the way down. 250 watt slug. There's 25 all the way down, so you got full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Pegs it out. Pull this 250 watt slug out. 500 watt slug in line. Hello, 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 hello. 320 bird. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 790 PEP. Alright, Troni's ready to come to you, man. I sure hope you enjoy this purple power. Your friend Truck. TruckCBSales.com. Bump up.
Get wise and get truckerized today.